Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. In this video we will learn how to make questions for conversation or what are the questions in English language. How should we ask questions in English language? What kind of questions are there in English language which can be used for conversation practice? So without taking much time, let's get started. First of all, we need to understand that we have two kinds of questions for the conversation in English language. Number one is called WH questions, the questions which begins with WH question words. When, why, where, how much, how long, how far, how often. These all are known as WH questions. Whenever we ask the WH questions, it always requires the reason for answering. When we need to answer the WH questions, it always will require the reason for answering that particular question. Second one is called yes-no questions in English language. Yes, no, interrogative, interrogative, negative. Always the answer will be yes or answer will be no. Do you go to market? Yes, I go. Yes, I do. No, I don't. So they are known as the interrogative questions. And then how to construct questions in English language. First of all, if we need to use the WH question words, so we use WH question word in first place. After that, in second place, we use all the helping verb according to situation. In third place, we have choice. We can use adjective, possessive adjective, or subject pronouns, subject words. And in fourth row, we can use noun. In the fifth row, we can use verb. Here we have option. We can use noun, we can use verb. According to situation, we make questions in English language. This is one kind of format of making questions in English language systematically according to grammar for the conversation practice. Now, for example, when is your friend going to school? When is your friend going to school? Fine. Now, this is the way. Another way, making questions just noun. Where is our school? Where is our school? Where is our school? हमारा school कहाँ है? With noun. Now verb. When are we going to school? Singing a song, anything it can be. Fine. Now after this, we can use all WH question words with different kind of helping verb. When is, when, was, where, do, where does, where do you live, where does your father live? When does he go to school? He goes to school at so and so timing. What has happened to him? What has she stolen from your bag? Anything, we can easily make the questions. What we need to understand that, first of all, we use WH question words and then helping verb. And then in third, we have option, we can use possessive adjectives or the subject words. When is your, when is her, when is his. Fine. Where is his house? When is she going to school? When is she? When is her? Where is her phone? Where is her phone? Where is your school? How is your mother? Why do they play? Why do they play cricket? Fine. Why do they play cricket? At this time we are using the subject words and we can use the possessive adjective also. Where do your friends live? We are using noun from here. So this is the way to make questions in English language. WH questions, using WH questions in front, in first place, And then in second place, all the auxiliary helping verb. In third place, we can use possessive adjectives or we can use subjects according to situation. How is your mother? In fourth row, I am taking a noun. Your mother. I am not using subject word at this time. And next question. When do you go to school? Now I am using verb. When do you go to school? Now I am using subject and verb to make a questions. Now, what practice you have to do? Use all WH questions with different kind of helping verb. When is, when was, when does, when will, when has, when would, when can, when must. All the helping verb can be used for asking questions. When is your birthday? When do you go to school? When does she get up? When will they come? When will Rahul play? Find different helping verb and then different subjects, different main verb can be used for making WH questions with reasons. The answers will be always in reasons. Second one, conversation questions, that is called yes no. There are two kinds of questions in English language which we ask for conversation or which we used for asking questions to someone. Okay. Now the second one is called yes no questions. All the auxiliary verb in front and then we make the questions. In the second place we have the subject word or sometimes we have the possessive adjectives also. Yes no. Fine. Is he coming? Is he there? Is he in office? Is she at kitchen? Am I a teacher? Am I a student? Are we your friends? Are we your guests? Fine. Was he calling you? Was he at hospital? Answer, yes he was. Yes he was. Yes he was in hospital. And answer can be no. No, he wasn't in hospital. No, he wasn't. Was he in hospital? No, he wasn't in hospital. Fine. Was. Were you at market? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Using it in front. Were you, was you, do you, does he, does she, does it. Does it cost much? Yes, it costs. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Answer can be yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Then has. Has she done? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Yes, no questions. We do follow yes, no questions. For yes, no questions, use all the auxiliary verbs in front. Second place, you have option to use subject word or else the possessive adjective and then keep on making questions. When we need to answer the questions which are known yes, no question, to answer by adding helping verb or else we can use the full sentence. Like for example, does she go to school regularly? Yes, she does. This is international answer. And yes, no, no answer. No, she doesn't go. No, she doesn't. Does she go to school? Yes, she does. Or else, yes, she goes to school. Or else, does she go to school? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't go to school. So this was all about the questions in English language, which can be used for conversation, asking questions and answering questions, which can be used for understanding English language, how questions are made, how questions can be constructed rightly according to the grammar when we want to talk to someone, or else to understand the questions concepts in English language, how the questions will function in English language. What kind of questions are there in English language? We need to always remember there are only two kinds of questions in English language that we use for conversation. Asking questions to someone, what are they? WH questions, which always will follow the reason to give the answers. And second one is called yes no questions, which is known interrogative negative or interrogative questions. When we need to answer them, answer can be yes, answer can be in no also. So keep on watching our YouTube videos. We are here to assist you to learn English language, grammar and various other topics also. If you like our videos, then consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit that notifications bell to be the first one to know when we upload videos like this, so that you get notified in the first. Till that, keep watching, keep supporting our channel.